Hi class, our topic for today is about factoring the sum or difference of two cubes. There are two cases in this lesson. Case number 1, sum of two cubes. For sum case, the binomial factor on the right side of the equation has a middle sign that is positive. In addition to the sum case, the middle sign of the trinomial factor will always be opposite the middle sign of the given problem. Therefore, it is negative. For the difference case, the binomial factor on the right side of the equation has a middle sign that is negative. In addition to the difference case, the middle sign of the trinomial factor will always be opposite the middle sign of the given problem. Therefore, it is positive. Let us have some examples about this lesson. Factor x cubed plus 27. Is it sum or difference case? It is sum. So our pattern is: first, observe if the terms have common monomial factor. If there is none, let us proceed to the formula of the sum case. Since the terms are perfect cube, let us get the cube root of each term. Cube root of x cubed is x. Again, it is sum case, therefore we will use addition for the binomial factor. Cube root of 27 is 3. Let us have the trinomial factor. We have to square the first term of the binomial factor and get the opposite sign of the given problem. The given is sum, therefore its opposite is negative or difference. Then, multiply the terms in our binomial factor. Take note that we will always have to use positive sign for the last term of the trinomial factor. Then square the last term of the binomial factor. Next, we have to simplify the terms inside the trinomial factor. Square of x is x squared. The product of x and 3 is 3x. The square of 3 is 9. Therefore, our answer is x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 9. Let us have the second one. Factor y cubed minus 8. Is it sum or difference case? It is difference. Therefore, our formula is: let us show the solution. Our given again is y cubed minus 8. First, observe if the terms have common monomial factor. Since we have no common monomial factor, let us have the cube root of each term. Cube root of y cubed is y. Then copy the given sign or the operation. Cube root of 8 is 2. Let us have the trinomial factor. Square the first term. Then get the opposite sign of the given problem. Since our given problem is difference, its opposite sign or opposite operation is addition. Multiply the terms in our binomial factor. And then square the last term. And then square the last term of our binomial factor. Copy the binomial factor and then simplify the terms in our trinomial factor. Square of y is y squared plus product of y and 2 is 2y plus square of 2 is 4. Therefore, our answer is y minus 2 multiplied by y squared plus 2y plus 4. Let us have the last example. Factor 1029yx cubed plus 24y to the 4th power. Is it sum or difference? It is sum. Let us show the solution. First, observe again if the terms have common monomial factor. Our terms have common monomial factor. 1029 and 24. Their common factor is 3. While the literal coefficient is y. And then 1029 yx cubed divided by 3y is 343x cubed plus 24y to the 4th power divided by 3y is 8y cubed. Let us now continue to the next slide. Copy the GCF and let us have the binomial factor first. Get the cube root of the first term. 343 cube root is 7. X cube root is x. The given is sum, therefore we will use positive. Cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of y cube is y. And then let us have the trinomial factor. Let us square the first term of the binomial factor, and that is 7x. And then get the opposite sign of the binomial factor, that is negative. Multiply the terms of the binomial factor. We have 7x and 2y. And then square the last term of the binomial factor. We have 2y. Copy the GCF and the binomial factor, then simplify the terms in our trinomial factor. Square of 7x is 49x squared. Multiply 7x and 2y, that is 14xy. Then square the last term, which is 2y, that is 4y squared. Therefore, we have our final answer, 3y times 7x plus 2y, quantity 49x squared minus 14xy plus 4y squared. Let us now review how we do factoring sum and difference of perfect cube. What things did you consider in factoring? First, check if the terms have common factor. Second, observe if the terms are perfect squares or perfect cube. And do not forget to see the operations or signs being used. I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. And I am also giving an exercise for you to practice your skills in factoring the sum or difference of two cubes. You can check again the description box for the answer key after you factor the given problems. Thank you for listening. See you again on our next lesson. Bye-bye!